I'm finally back with another video, and I just wanted to share with you my review on this Cantu Shea Butter Styling Gel. These are the products that I'm using on my son's natural hair. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I already put the leave-in Cantu leave-in conditioner in, and also a little bit of grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to section off his hair with these clips, and then I'm going to saturate his hair with the Cantu Shea Butter Styling Gel with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I think I got 2 of them, but I usually use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm not sure what the other one has in it, but I saturate the hair really good.
When you think about, and
I know my camera is not focusing like it should be, so just bear with me, you guys. So like I said, I saturate the hair really good. This gel is really good. Again, Eco Styling Gel. I used to use that before, and that gel leaves a lot of flakes behind, and this one does not. So what I do is saturate the hair really well. I wrap it around my fingers. Sorry, I'm not in focus, you guys. It is, anybody that got kids know it's hard to do their head because they do not hold good heads. So about time I realized that we weren't in focus, I was like at the middle of his head. So I think now maybe you guys will get to see it. Now I will section off his hair again. Each section, just keep sectioning off, saturating the hair really well with the gel. No water. You really don't need water. You can if you want to. Again, like I said, his hair is freshly washed. It's a little damp, but all you need to do is just saturate it with the gel. Keep wrapping it around your fingers, and sometimes I'll go back and grab the same piece of hair again just to make sure it's not frizzy at the end. Yeah, it should just glide through your fingers. Therefore, his hair won't be frizzy. And I just do this all over the head. I just keep grabbing sections, little sections. You could do it bigger if you want, but I like his hair a little bit smaller, around the sides especially. And yeah, I just keep repeating the same steps over and over again.
So me let on the pump, put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring.
And I'm sorry again if I'm not in focus, or it's hard doing kids' hair because they do not hold a good head.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bar.
Hopefully this is a better angle for you guys to see. I'm just wrapping it around my fingers. I'm sure you guys all know how to do this. I'm just really showing you how this gel works.
Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your heart. You gotta think
and
that Chris for a man.
Takes me about maybe an hour and a half, like I said, because I do it smaller. You guys don't have to do it small like I do it, but I like to do his hair a little smaller. It looks a little bit more defined. So it takes me about an hour to get, hour and a half. And of course he kind of frustrated, but he has my phone to play with, so he allows me to take my time and do it right.
Bad man, them really wanna test man for get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get
and as you see, it's a big difference between the back of his head, which I didn't get to yet, and the front. And my camera died, you guys, so I wasn't able to show you the whole thing with you guys. I'm so sorry, but I've made it to the back of his head, and yeah, I'm just gonna finish curling it around my fingers, saturating it, of course, first with the gel, and just rolling it around my fingers.
Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, You will sing along, you got me
Sometimes
elevated.
I will
Like I
snip
hit
his
the
ends
ball,
while I'm
007,
doing his hair. I
like a
don't
James
want his
Bond.
hair to
Me
get
wanna
too
get
long.
that
I mean, his
feeling.
hair
Something
grows
that
so
give me
fast.
that healing. Me I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling. Something
And
that give me that
I've pretty much
healing.
made
Me
it
I
to the
don't want
end
to
of his
tire,
hair, but
so
again, I
me
like
I
to go
light up
back
the
and just make sure it's
fire.
defined.
Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it.
And you
You're
could
the
take a
only
paper
one me
towel
I
if you
really
want to
gotta
and
think
dab your
of. Trust me
hair,
when I say
but the
you're the
white
only one
stuff
I
is
feel
going
for.
to dry
Wine
up
for
and
me,
go
girl, them
away.
I really try confuse me.
And this is the
For the
finished
money, then I
result.
flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the
And then
money,
I
so
like
they
to
sing
add a
for
little
me,
bit of
girl.
grapeseed
Wine for
oil
me,
to his
girl, she a
hair
wine for me,
afterwards
man.
again.
Nothing lose control. You got the fire, can't cool. Let's get the groove on.
So I added in the
On
beginning
a
with the
cruise control,
conditioner
let the
just to
vibes
seal
come
in
through.
some
Let's make a
moisture, and then
move
at the
on.
end I'll put in some more. As you see, I'm making a mess.
Really
And yeah, it came out pretty cute, you guys. So I'll have people coming up to him, they think he's born with his hair like this. They're like, your son got such nice hair, he got good hair. I'm like, oh, thank you, you know. But everybody has good hair. There's no such thing as bad hair. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching.
Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire.